Welcome to H&M Garage, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your idler pulley with the power steering pump. So if you don't want to run power steering delete on your K-Series, I'll show you how to do this right now. Alright, so first thing you want to do in order to remove the pulley is you have to loosen the auto tensioner so you can remove the belt and then be able to get to the idler pulley. And for this you just need a 14mm socket right here. And I'm going to be using a breaker bar because it's a bit easier. It gives me leverage to push the auto tensioner. So you just pull that out like that, and I already had mine pretty loose. And it's that easy. Now for the next step, you have one bolt here, which is a 12mm, and another one right here. And for this, I'll be using an extension because it's a bit tight, and it will make it easier for you. Last one. And last two. Okay. Well, once we get your idler pulley out, just grab the power steering pump. Now this power steering pump, I got it for about $20 at a junkyard from a CRV, which had a K-Series. I forgot what year it was, but yeah, you can pretty much just bolt on since it's a K-Series. K20 to be specific. Okay, you just mount it on there, and for this one you also have 12mm bolts. One goes on here, actually one up here. Just hand tighten it with your hand. Right there. And then you grab my ratchet with the extension. Alright, so once you have it on, you want to torque the bolt to about 16 pounds-feet, and I'm going to put a diagram to show you. And since I don't have one, I just turned it just enough so it can be snug. Not too much, so you don't want to strip the bolt, but all it needs is 16 pounds-feet. Alright guys, and that is how you replace your idler pulley with the power steering pump. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This summer I will be K-swapping my 2004 Honda Civic.